Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, this is a special video. This video is about South Korea. It's because we have all types of snacks. Before I try these snacks, first watch this video about it.
South Korea, officially called the Republic of Korea, is located in East Asia on the southern part of the Korean peninsula, sharing a border with North Korea to the north. It is surrounded by water on three sides. Its capital city is Seoul, which is one of the largest and most modern cities in the world. The South Korean flag is white with a red and blue circle in the center, symbolizing balance in the universe. Around the circle are four black symbols called trigrams, which represent different natural elements like heaven, earth, water, and fire. South Korea is famous for many things, including its advanced technology like smartphones, cars, and electronics, delicious food like kimchi, bibimbap, and bulgogi, and its popular K-pop and K-dramas. People from all over the world love South Korean culture. One thing that South Korea is especially proud of is Taekwondo, its national sport. Taekwondo means the way of the foot and the hand, and it began more than 2,000 years ago as a form of self-defense. Over time, it developed into a martial art that focuses on fast, powerful kicks, discipline, and respect. In 2000, Taekwondo became an official Olympic sport, and now millions of people, young and old, practice it around the world to improve their strength, focus, and confidence. Amazing, right?
Welcome back. Now I'll organize these now and I'll show you what I have here. I have some South Korean chips. And also this guy's in a movie. Yeah. He's a egg that is alive. Okay. And also we have some popping candy on a stick with chocolate. That's definitely gonna taste good. We have some popcorn too. It's a pokey sticky because its name is back here. Okay guys, now let me try my favorite one, popping candy. Oh, I got it. Look at that. There's more. Oh, there's only 3. Let's try one. It's real. It broke. At least the biscuit tasted good. Now time for the popping candy. It's popping. Like literally. At first, when it got in my mouth, it was not popping. And then when I chewed on chocolate, it started popping. I like it. It tastes very good. I give it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, chocolate, popping candy. I love it. Now we're going to try some potato chips. Salted egg yolk flavor. Okay, I can smell it. Look at that. It tasted like egg yolk, and also it tastes the salt with it too. I love these chips. They actually taste good. And also I wasn't expecting them to taste like this. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. This company did a very good job at making their chips. Until now, Korean snacks are amazing for me. Next, let's try the Pocky. I got it. Sometimes you have to whip it a little bit. The flavor of this one's banana. Definitely banana. Because I see banana. It actually tastes like banana. I love it. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 too. Actually, I think the Minions will love this. Now let's try some strawberry popcorn. Strawberry butter salt popcorn. That smells like strawberry. Well, it's not all strawberry. Some of them are butter and some of them are strawberry. They're mixed. The deeper I go, the more of this I get. The more pink popcorn I get. Just like strawberries. And also, if you like butter popcorn, subscribe. Yay! It's my favorite popcorn in the entire universe. It's a really good popcorn. I love it. I'm definitely eating to that later. Now, it's time for the other flavor. Popcorn, caramel, and butter. Okay. That looks yummy. Oh, I smell caramel. Time for the caramel popcorn. Tastes like caramel. In America, this caramel popcorn is usually sweeter, but the taste is a little salty. Yeah. I'll give this one right here 10 out of 10. And I'll give this one right here a 9 out of 10. It's good, but I like the strawberry better. Okay guys, next up we have turtle chips. And you might be surprised, it's because look at that seaweed flavor. If you didn't know, I like seaweed. Smells like seaweed and potato chips mixed up. It actually tasted like dried seaweed. I love it. It might be my new favorite chip because it tastes exactly like seaweed. You see those black spots? That's dried seaweed. If you didn't know, I started Taekwondo when I was 3 years old. 3. I got so many belts, so many medals. Here's a video about them. I love Taekwondo, and also, hopefully, I can get the black belt. I'm gonna work hard until I get it. Before I try another treat, I'll give this one 10 out of 10 again. The next one is another 2-1 like that one. but it's sweet corn flavor. And also it's the same turtle. I can smell the sweet corn. It smells very sweet. It tasted like potato chips and sweet corn at the same time. I love it. I'll give this one 10 out of 10 once again. Let's move to the next one. Okay guys, it's amazing that Korean just makes so much good snacks. I've been saving my favorite for last. And the chewy flavored. Now let's open it. That smells so good. It tasted so good. It actually tasted like churros. I love it. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching my video. And also, for all the people that lives in Korea, I give you this. Bye guys.